From K-pop to IPO pop, the label for BTS went public on Thursday, and it was, as they say, dynamite. The international powerhouse has sold more physical albums in the US this year than even Justin Bieber, Harry Styles or Billie Eilish. It's the biggest IPO in South Korea for 3 years. The stock closed 90% above IPO with the $7.5 billion valuation for Big Hit Entertainment. The band members, of course, are now rich beyond avarice with tens of millions. And yet, never let it be said, the stock market can't turn nasty. Paula Hancocks is in Seoul.
Everything this band touches seems to turn to gold. BTS is South Korea's most well-known boy band, shooting to the top of the Billboard chart last month, a feat no other Korean artist has achieved.
It still doesn't feel 100% real, more so because right now we can't perform in front of people, in front of our fans.
The next chapter, IPO. BTS's management, Big Hit Entertainment, is listing the company on South Korea's stock exchange, a move that values the company at more than $4 billion, more than the next 3 top K-pop agencies combined. In today's strong market, some assume investors will flock to buy the shares, including the band's hardcore fan base.
I'm eager to pick up 1 or 2 shares, even if it's just 1. So I pulled my money and plan to put in 150 million won. I want to get closer to BTS as one team and help them.
Big deal for Big Hit, but some worry that they are too reliant on just one act.
90% of Big Hit Entertainment's revenue is from BTS, so the risk is there. But it has started to shift its revenue structure to a multifaceted portfolio.
Big Hit says it has created an ecosystem of artists, apps and content.
We drove profit not only through the album and music, but online concerts, official merchandise, multimedia content and more.
Military service looms for all 7 members of the group, but they could use another international K-pop group, Big Bang, as a model, solo careers. Some also question the timing of the IPO in the middle of a global pandemic, but the market sees it as a sign that the company can only go up as the world recovers.
If the company is highly valued now in the midst of a pandemic, it will be an opportunity to gain even more momentum next year post-pandemic.
In a rare move for the industry, Big Hit has given more than $7 million worth of shares to each member of the band, a share of the success and perhaps a guarantee for the future. Paula Hancocks, CNN Seoul.